they went in the front bedroom, and that little Chica, Peanut was dragging her along because she wouldn't come out of the bedroom. And I was calling Peanut to come out, and Peanut would just drag her. But she's strong, little puppy. She's strong. And they were playing with that other ball. They're just hilarious. I think Peanut really found a friend finally. She's opened up to her. At first she was very territorial. Of course, this has been her home for 8 years, so all of a sudden we bring someone new in. So yeah, she's jealous. But she's not too bad anymore. They're hilarious together, though. I can't get enough of watching them. They're just so precious. And Peanut's happy. Alright, I'm going to sign off.